Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can install WhatsApp from Play Store. So for doing this you just need to go to Play Store. So just open your Play Market and just write in search here WhatsApp. So just write WhatsApp. Just click on install near this app and just wait some time until it will successfully download and install this app on your mobile phone. So just wait. So just wait until it will scan all the files. Just click on open. So just click on agree and continue. So now you just need to write your phone number here to receive code. So here you can see that we successfully receive our code, and just now you need to allow to have access for your contacts and for your photos and media files. So just now write your name, and also you can add your photo here. So here you can see our chat status and calls. So after you allow viewing your contacts, the program will have access for your contacts, and you will see here your friends that are on Viber from your contacts, and you can also communicate with them. So you can also write them, call them, and just have different functions of this app. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.